What's with the ears? I like it. Look, it's a rabbit. Mine's better, but they're different.
Hey, stop fighting. Let me check.
I only drew the head. Me too.
Oh, nice start. But let's switch up the technique. Here you go.
What do you mean?
Draw one part and swap.
Oh, okay. Let's try. This part should have a strong torso. Finished my part. Here you go. Moving on to the next part. Done. Your turn. I know. Duh. Just the legs left. And done. Let's swap. Let's see what we've got. Huh? What have you done? You didn't do great either. Ha 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 ha. What are these claws? The legs are half furry. You can't draw.
Whoa, stop!
Huh?
Instead of arguing, let's do a challenge.
What? Yes, love it! I'm ready. Achoo! Ugh, ready for what? Oh, right.
Wow, cool.
Hey, look! Achoo!
What? It didn't scare me. She just popped up suddenly. Let's draw a butterfly.
Need to make an order. Perfect. Now we wait. That was fast. Let's see. Yes! This pocket easel is just what I needed. Let's start. First, prepare the colors. Oh yes, the more the better. First, we'll outline the big wings and add smaller ones. Use several colors at once, like this. Let's make blends. Looks super! Add a bold outline. Trace the antenna. And add details. Perfect! And done! A beautiful butterfly! Achoo! Darn! Ran out of paper. I'm done. Just this roll left. And I think I know how to use it. First, prepare the paints and shape the roll. Now dip it in the paint. And make prints like wings. Perfect. Add other colors and fill in. Like this. Apply a translucent effect. Make the sparkle details. And draw the butterflies themselves, like this. Now outline the wings. And done! I made several butterflies. Mine's better, right?
Yes, not bad. But the drawing with lots of butterflies wins. Congrats!
Really? Thanks! It can't be. Ugh. Achoo! Ew, yuck. What's next?
You and you. Draw flowers.
Okay, this should be easy. Huh? What's going on?
No brushes allowed.
What? What do we use? Draw with our hands? I'll go find something. Ah! Whoa! Hold up. This is just what I need. I'm taking this. Sorry. But that's mine! Hey! Phew. Now we can start. First, let's blow it up. Perfect. Now let's start adding colors. Spread the green around like this. Now yellow. And red. Perfect. Outline with white. And start smudging. Need to mix the colors together like this. Oh yes. From green and yellow, we'll get cool leaves. Now add some details. And done! Turn out great! The black background looks super! Assistant! I need materials.
Here, miss.
Great. Let's start. Start with yellow. Squish it like this. Now transfer to paper and spread over the entire surface. Beautiful. Take white and also squish. Now make petals out of it, like this. Add yellow to the center and also make green branches. Done! We've got these daisies! Beautiful, aren't they?
This drawing wins.
Yay! Yes! Stop shouting. We're ready.
So, now let's draw a rainbow.
Oh, okay. I have a kit that's perfect for this task. Cool, right? So, what's the best choice? I only have these leftover crayons. Darn. What a shame!
Ooh, I'm so sorry.
I can't draw properly with these. Oh, a plastic knife. But how do I use this? I think I've got a trick. Let's start! Let's take this sketch and crumble some chalk. Now add other rainbow colors. Yes, that's it! Smudge with one finger movement. Carefully. Like this. All done! It's a rainbow dress!
Very creative! Well done!
Thanks! I have to beat her. Oh. Use this. And this compass, too. A golden rainbow. Oh, yeah. First, take a compass with a brush and add glue. Make a rainbow shape like this. Now apply gold foil like this. And remove the excess. Super! Now draw patterns between the layers of our rainbow. How cool! All done! This is the glammest rainbow ever! That's how it's done!
This time, gold wins!
Me? Thank you! Oh. Yay! Awesome!
Golden nose!
Do I have something on my nose?
Awkward.
I already cleaned it off. What's next?
Here's a sky with lights. Make something similar.
Got it. What should I think of?
Ooh, need a trim.
Oh! He's not looking! I'll borrow this! Super! I have the original. Now just need to make a better copy. Put plexiglass over the drawing. And start tracing. Use brighter colors like this. With white and yellow colors, these lights will sparkle. Now remove the drawing and add more stars. Just left to make the night sky background. Like this. Perfect! Let's see what we've got. Wow! How well I copied! Too well.
Hey, where's my drawing? Huh?
What? It's all fair. Okay, let's see what I have. Not much. What to do? Oh, what's this? This canvas is just in time. First, paint it all black. Awesome! Add blue, pink, and a couple more colors. I think that'll do. Now take this sponge and spread well. Super! Got a cool space effect. Spray some stars. And draw more stars. Bigger, like this. Now add a tree in the night. And done. There. Looks like I did it. Mine's better.
I can't choose, so you both win!
What? So I'm not the best? Huh. I'm fine with that. Boring.
Oh, look at that tree over there. Make your version.
Should be interesting. Let's see what I have in my bag. What? Just money? What am I supposed to do with this? Hey, these coins look nice. Got an idea. First, make the form of a tree. Draw more lines for volume. And add branches. Perfect. Now give our tree some colors. Cool! Looks like golden bark. Let's do the leaves. Make them gold too. Like this. Add glue to fix our coins. They look like berries! Cool! And there! A money tree is ready! What's that? Jealous? Wow! Looks expensive! Oh, what's this in my ear? Ew! How gross! Got you! It's paint!
Haha, funny. Oops.
Better focus on the task. Good idea. Let's take some paint and dip ear sticks in it. Apply it like this. Add orange and draw the trunk and branches. Perfect. Add some fallen leaves. And all done. An autumn tree is ready. Beautiful, right? Not really.
Bravo! Now your turn. You won!
Me? Thanks a lot! Oh, I'm the best. Oh yeah.